Where's it come from? It comes from us.
Baba, bobo. Baba, bobo. Baba, bobo. Baba, bobo. Baba, bobo.
What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name?
Ray Rucker.
What's your name?
Ray Rucker.
What's your name?
Ray Rucker!
That's right, and you're watching Ryan and Ray make ice cream. And today, we have a couple of firsts for you. Number one, we're outside in our backyard. It is really nice out, and it's April, so we figured, why not? We do have our jackets on because it's a little cold, but we're also from California, so take that with a grain of salt.
We got an umbrella for we nice and warm.
That's right, we do have an umbrella to keep us nice and warm, huh?
Yeah, warm.
Yeah, cool. And also if it rains, we're protected. Anything else?
That's it.
That's it. And the other first, tonight we are going to make our first dairy-free ice cream that we've ever made, that I've ever made. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Yeah.
I want to try it.
You want to try it? Me too. I checked out a couple recipes. Every recipe looks completely different, so we're gonna freestyle a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna try a recipe that I think is gonna work, and we'll see. It could be a complete failure, but I'm confident that we will be successful. Aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so before we get started, anything you want to say to our friends?
Bye-bye.
How about, let's go.
Let's go.
So first things first, we are going to start with a little bit of coconut almond milk. We are going to...
I'm proud.
You want to pour it out?
Yeah.
Why not? We're going to start off
Mama,
with...
yeah.
You want the little cup?
Yeah. The one is put in the yellow cup.
Yeah, we don't want to spill in a little cup. So we...
This one that's in the yellow.
Yeah, so we'll start with this one?
Yeah.
All right, cool. We're going to start with 2 cups of almond milk. Oh, you want to pour it like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll pour in. Lift it up a little bit. Oh. All right, cool. We'll pour in 2 cups. Oh, no, I still got to do a little more. This might be more than 2 cups. Good job. Ray's never had this before. We'll see if she still likes it.
I like it.
You like it? All right, cool. Ray approved already. All right.
I like it, Dada.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Next, we're going to use some organic coconut cream that Allie picked up for us. We're just going to use the whole thing and see what happens. That sound good to you?
I'm trying.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Well, this might be a little... Well, you can try it.
Yeah.
So we've got our coconut cream right here. You want to just pour this out? All right.
Why isn't that working?
Oh, this is pretty thick. Yeah. You want me to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Try it.
All right, you can try it if you want. No guarantees.
I like it.
Good. Next up, we're going to use sugar. And of course, I'm going to cover it. And we actually didn't have that much sugar left. So I'm actually going to have to throw in some brown sugar as well, which I probably wouldn't do.
You like to watch them.
Yeah, but we're just going to test it out. Everything is just brand new tonight.
I'm trying brown sugar.
You want to try brown sugar? So we're going to do about a 1/4 cup of regular sugar, and we're going to do a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Does that sound good to you?
Yeah.
Cool. And we'll pour that in. All right, we'll pour that in.
Here,
Good.
the brown sugar now.
And now we'll do the brown sugar. And now, all right, you can do that. All right, I'll pour that in.
Can you grab this up?
Not yet, because we have one more ingredient that we're going to throw in.
We need this.
We do need this. So we have some vanilla extract.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, we don't want a 1/2 cup of vanilla extract. That would be a lot. But we can do 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. How's that sound?
I will.
All right, here. You want to hold this? You gotta even it out a little bit. Here, let me help you a little bit. All right, we'll pour that in. We'll do one more. So now we are all done with our base, and typically we would go into the ice cream station, but since it's so nice outside, we're actually going to hand mix it for the first time. Well, on our show, we've hand mixed it before.
You don't mix it.
Me?
No.
What do I do?
will do it. Yeah. Watch me do it.
Okay.
That's a little mix.
A little mix?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I mix it now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank
That's
you.
a little.
Okay, thanks, Rae.
Faster.
Master.
Faster.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that smells really good.
It's really good. I'll test it out.
You want to test it out?
I need this spoon. I just got the spoon from you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Rae.
Why I still grab it here? Why ice cream still grab it here, dude?
You want to try mixing it more? Oh, with this?
Faster?
Sure.
Hold on. That's higher.
I'm trying. Rae's gonna take the first bite. More? All right, Rae likes it. Ooh, not bad. Definitely got a strong coconut flavor. Obviously, it's coconut milk, which is why I put the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in it. I thought it'd be too much. Well, it's actually not bad. I think we're all done with the mix. So, Rae, do you know what time it is? What time is it?
Kaboom.
Cold ball. Let's get it. All right, you want to feel it?
Cold.
Cold.
It's almost warm.
Yeah, sure.
It's almost warm.
Yeah, but it's still really cold. Cool. So let's put that on.
You pour some in and then I dump it in.
Well, we're probably just gonna pour this whole thing in.
Actually, I'm not too cold anymore.
Yeah, too cold?
No.
Okay.
There
There we go. So we'll pour this into the cold bowl.
I'm drinking.
You wanna drink it?
Yeah.
All right. Rae's always is going to drink it. I will put the top on. So put this in here for about 25 minutes. Else we'll come back in a little bit and we'll test it out.
Look at my hair.
I see. All right, Rae. Let's check it out. Looking pretty good. What do you think?
It's all done.
It's all done?
Yeah.
We'll turn it off. Rae's gonna get the first scoop. All right. What do you think?
More.
More? Is it good?
Yeah.
Rae can improve. I'll give it a shot. Not bad. What we'll do now is we're going to put it into our container. So let's take this lid off. We'll take this and we're going to put it right into our container.
Use this.
Use that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It broke. Well, that's not good.
What happened? It broke.
It broke.
Yeah.
That's not good.
What's that one?
It broke off.
What is today? You get news when I get it.
Well, that was a first.
That's the first. See that? It broke.
So there we have it. We have our vanilla coconut milk dairy-free ice cream. I'll hold on to it just to be safe. You've got a lot of ice cream. So we have it all in here. We're gonna take it, put it into the freezer, turn it to hard ice cream, and see how it scoops. Mainly, I just wanna make sure that the consistency is the same. I'll let you know how it goes. Maybe you'll have to change the recipe. I'm sure we will, because it's our first time. So we are all done for tonight. We wanna thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I see. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely hit that subscribe button. Really helps us out, and so thank you in advance. Anyway, Rae, is there anything you want to say to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night, guys.
Let's try you.
Oh, you've tried a lot.
I spelled and spelled and spelled.
A little bit. But that's okay.
Yeah. I'd be crazy. I just be crazy. Dada,
Yeah, babe.
I just be crazy.
Yeah, you just be crazy.
I be crazy.
Uh-huh.
And just get new pants.
Okay. Good idea.
Just get pajamas.
Okay.